What is up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? Welcome to a brand new episode of the Viral Podcast by Dai Ali Daniel, presented by Indus Enclave, powered by Viral Marketing. आज का podcast बहुत खास है, because today on the podcast I have the master chef herself. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on the podcast today owner of Sugary's Bakery and a baker, entrepreneur और आपने इनको मास्टर शेफ में अभी जज करते हुए भी देखा होगा. Please welcome on the podcast today owner of Sugary's Bakery, महविश अजीज. कैसी हैं आप? ठीक हैं?
I'm good. Thank you so much. That was a lovely introduction. Thank you for having
Thank
me.
you for taking out the time for the podcast. मुझे ये बताएं कि how did you decide कि आप एक बेकर बनेंगी, एक बेकरी खोलेंगी और you'll go towards this side?
That's interesting. But I mean, I don't think I particularly decided. I think I always wanted to do something in the kitchen. So it
Okay.
was always a thing कि kitchen के अंदर कुछ करना है. I still remember I had made a like a hot pot kind of a thing for like a hot pot kettle जो नहीं होता for
हाँ.
like some assignment in school because I like to feed people. So I think that feeling always came from there. It was like I enjoy feeding people. So I started off very young, like just the journey started when I was 11 years old.
11 years old.
Yeah,
Okay.
it started off when I was 11, and my grandmother used to bake these cakes, and unko dekhte hue, my mom used to bake our, all our cakes were baked at home. Actually, didn't know that bakeries existed, so that's funny. I found out bakeries existed when I was 16 plus or
अच्छा.
something. हाँ, because हमें पता ही नहीं था हमारे सारे cakes घर पे बनते थे, goodie bags घर पे बनते थे. Everything was made at home. So, cut to figuring out that this is what I want to do was post graduation. And my father was like, you can't become a bawarchi, you have to get a degree.
There's a stigma to it.
There's a stigma to it. So I said, okay, I'll get a degree, and I got a degree. And then I was working for a year, and then I went to culinary school. And it was one of those things, कि जो बस हो गया. I was supposed to go to Canada, मेरा visa नहीं आया.
अच्छा.
And my brother was based in Dubai, and he said, यहाँ पे एक दो courses हैं, do you want to do them? And if you like them, then maybe you can do more. So it was one of those, fluke वाली चीज़ें कि मैं गई और मुझे बहुत पसंद आ गया. And I was one of the very first few batches of the place. So there was a lot of investment of the chefs as well, and we had a lot of versatile chefs working at the institution. So we had a Spanish chef, an Indian chef,
Okay.
like बहुत सारे ethnicity से लोग थे हमारे साथ working with us, and Sri Lankan chef था, उनकी dishes,
A lot of
all
diversity.
diversity बहुत थी. And I loved it, and I was there for the next year, and the rest is history. I'm here today now. So it's I opened Sugary's, I think 6 months after I came back from culinary school. And yeah, we're still operational.
So when did you decide कि आपने वहाँ से you were in Dubai, right? जब आप डिग्री
Yes,
करी थी कि वहाँ
yes.
से यहाँ पे आना
हाँ,
और business start करना, being a woman
हाँ,
doing like a business in Karachi, Pakistan, यहाँ पे it's very challenging. तो वो
yes.
वो thought कैसे आया, उसको execute कैसे किया, Sugary's नाम कैसे दिमाग में आया?
Sugary's was already, I think the logo was already made like when I was in college.
अच्छा.
A
Okay.
friend of mine helped me make a logo, and I don't know if she's going to be watching this, but yeah, thanks Asma for making that for me. So she made like a very rough thing for me, and we worked on the cupcake, and I really liked the idea, and the logo has evolved over time. And वो बस बना के रख लिया था कि कभी कुछ करेंगे तो
You
I'll
had an
use.
idea.
I had an idea. I had to do something with dessert. I was very clear on that. I got a job in Dubai after I graduated, and my father called me and he said, do you want to be a name or do you want to be a number? And I was like, oh, like that's so fancy, let's go back and be a name. So वो बस एक चीज़ थी, and I came back, and I started Sugary's in June 2016. And inshallah this year we hit 10 years.
10 years.
Yes.
Oh,
So
decade.
वापस आई, it was challenging. It's starting a business is very challenging. I'm sure you yourself, we were just discussing off record that that you have also a couple of businesses. So starting any kind of business is difficult, and वो शुरू के मुझे अभी भी दिन याद है, 20 घंटे 18 घंटे काम करना, and there is nobody can put in the kind of effort that you will put in into it, and nobody will understand. They'll be like, अच्छा काम ही तो है, केक ही तो बना रही हो, इतना कौन सा क्या कर रही हो? But it's not just a cake, you see. It's admin, it's uh, taking care of staff, it's making sure like the place is clean, it's getting all your HACCP work done. It's so many things, you know. And it was great because when you're, I think now I can say this, that when you're single and when you don't have responsibilities in life, you just can do anything and everything, you know. And then when you kind of have, you know, other responsibilities, like if you get married, if you have children, you know, I don't know, other things that could happen with you, then you kind of realize कि मेरे पास पहले कितना टाइम था और मेरे पास अब कितना टाइम है, बिकॉज पहले लगता था कि टाइम नहीं है,
नहीं है,
and you
exactly.
you would really feel it कि टाइम नहीं है, but actually post going through this journey you realize no no, अभी भी I managed to squeeze out, you know, 1 घंटा सुबह में, 1 घंटा दोपहर में. So yeah, that's the journey.
So, what was the most challenging part of starting Sugries? And you had a physical store as well.
Yes.
एक आउटलेट था आपका जो आपने बंद भी किया.
हाँ,
उसकी
हाँ.
क्या स्टोरी थी, वो क्यों बंद किया, उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताएं.
So the physical store, I opened up one in 2016, and I
Okay.
opened up the second one in 2022. The first one opened up, and you know, I didn't want to open it up immediately, but again my father was of the opinion कि अब कर ही लिया है तो, you know, just go all in.
Go
What's
big.
the point of opening a store, like मतलब कि what's the point of doing it घर से, and then, you know, like अब orders आ रहे थे. I had already got my first 2-3 corporate orders, and they didn't want me at home. They said please get a space and do it properly. So मैंने वो एक store मेरा, you know, had started, um, and and the first store was, it's obviously always your baby, you know. It's the best thing that happens to you. The second store opened up in 2022, but I think that was a little bit of a haphazard decision. Although it was a beautiful store, I opened up a second store and it opened up great and it was doing really well. But you know, I just, my life had certain circumstances where I couldn't go through with both the stores together, and I had to take the decision of closing them down, even though business was doing very well. You know, लोग कहते नहीं आपने business बंद किया क्योंकि business नहीं
चल
चल
नहीं
रहा
रहा
था,
था.
but that's not always true, you know. And I can say that now because it was doing well, but if you're not able to manage the other aspects of the business, like if you're not able to manage, you know, कि आपके पास एक अच्छी team है, you have a good manager, you have, you know, ये वाले आपके heads अच्छे नहीं है, तो फिर आप, instead of actually profiting, you actually end up going into a loss, and you end up going into a lot of emotional, physical
लीकेजेस बहुत हो रहे होते हैं.
stress, and leakages बहुत होते हैं. आप कहाँ कहाँ किस end को, you know, how many ends will you try to stitch up, you know. So I took a call because I said, you know, okay, I have X amount of corporate clients, X amount of regular clients. Can I make this work? No, I can't make a physical store work because I'm not physically there. My older one now was not even a few months. Like she was maybe 4 months. And I just, you know, at the time I was going through a divorce. So I said, you know, okay, I cannot do this and take care of a store and be available, you know. So I said it's better that I take a step back and reassess the whole thing and then start again, because काम, I'm a workaholic, तो काम तो मैं फिर भी कर ही रही थी. I was teaching also, I was doing consultancy also, and I had the stores also. So I had to pull back from somewhere to figure out what was really working. So I closed the stores. I went
Both the
into
stores, right?
both the stores.
All together.
Yes, but the back-to-back हुए थे
Okay.
close. I went into a full-time online, you know, opened
Model.
my website, online model कर दिया, went more into consultancy, which I was anyways doing, but went more into it, and teaching I was doing anyways. So बाकी चीज़ें वैसे ही मैं करी थी. That gave me enough time to give to, you know, my child, as well as have enough time for my work as well, and give healthy time to both spaces, not be in a rush, because that's what you end up doing when you have your hand in too many pies. So that was I mean, now when I look back, I'm like, oh, I really wish I still had my store, because you do miss certain aspects
Must be
of
very
it.
difficult for you when you do it because आप बहुत effort के
हाँ,
साथ
बहुत एफर्ट के
बनाते
साथ
हैं
आप,
अपनी चीजें.
एब्सोल्युटली, एंड बहुत मुश्किल होता है कि अब वो आपने सारी एक इन्वेंट्री बिठाई है ना, अब आप उसको उतार रहे हो, अब you can't even utilize it anywhere. But alhamdulillah, I still have my kitchen and we're still operational from it, and we still have our website running. So that side is good, but I would love to still have obviously a store all over
So
again.
that is in the plans. करती हैं plan आपके खोलेंगी
I
वहाँ
mean,
पे shop?
inshallah, yeah, that is the plan. I don't know if it's just going to be a walk-in bakery. It might be like, it might be a multi-space, where I have
cafe?
multiple things. It could be a cafe, could be a teaching studio involved in it. I mean, I think teaching is like my main passion and love now that I have had a 10-year journey. So I love teaching. I think it's more than just selling like 20 cakes or 20 brownies. It's just the art of being able to pass on what you know
Mentoring.
to somebody else, and then be able to nourish yourself with more. I think that is something which people don't like to do. People don't like to teach. They often ask me, "Okay, why do you teach? Like, why would you want to share your secret recipes or whatever?" And I'm like, कहाँ लेके जानी है मैंने, like it's great that
You
I'm
do share
able
all your
to.
recipes?
Yes, we
अच्छा.
do. Yeah. I mean, there are certain set recipes जो हमने शुगरीज के लिए बनाई है, अब हम वो ही replicate नहीं करते, but ऐसा नहीं है कि वो नहीं बना सकते, ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं है. But we have, whatever I teach is always like, it's very very like what I make in my kitchen as well, straight up, nothing hidden. Yeah.
So what was the biggest setback in the business के जो आपने बताया? अभी हम बात भी कर रहे थे labor के बारे में, that there is no professional labor, there is no
Yeah.
professional managers to run the
Yeah.
places. Is that one of the biggest problems that you were facing at that time?
Yes. Like I do look back and think कि अगर मेरी एक अच्छी team होती, in terms of a good manager, a good head chef.
कहाँ होते हैं अच्छे managers? I don't know.
नहीं होते, but लोगों के पास होते भी हैं. In fact, I just went to a place that's recently opened up, and I saw a manager over there, and he had been working with that family for like 30 years. And I was like, why don't we have people like that? लेकिन ये है कि किसी की किस्मत क्या है, किसी की किस्मत फर्क है, you can't say much on that. I feel like you just have to put in the hard work. You just have to be true to your craft, and I have had this experience myself कि it doesn't matter if the store is there or not there. It doesn't matter कि आपकी 4 दुकानें चाहिए, अगर आपके पास client है, वो आपके पास आएगा, और वो आपके पास दुनिया के किसी भी कोने से आएगा.
ढूंढ के
So
आएगा आपको.
हाँ, like that is like, I have alhamdulillah clients in Norway, in Singapore, in US, in UK. Yes, it could be that they come to me twice a year, but they come to me, and they have 1,000 options in Pakistan, right? In Karachi, that they come to me. They come to me because maybe their previous year's experience was good, and they still feel to put that trust back in me, and that is why I'm here. That is what I love to do. I like to curate customized bespoke gifting for them. So I think that's something, when I reopen, I will try not to focus on just selling like just the basic. I will probably leverage on what I do best, which is do customized stuff, and that is what I'm great at. So I mean, I've also found my niches in the last 10 years. This is what I'm good at. Focus on it. Don't focus on trying to be like a commercial space जिनके 10 outlets हैं, 20 outlets हैं, 4 outlets हैं. Don't try to be like those, because those are different. Model ही फर्क होता है.
So you have your specific niche जिसको आप cater कर रहे हैं.
Yes, absolutely.
And that
I
works
do.
on online business for
And
you as well.
that works for me. And ये भी होता है, yeah, if somebody wants something जो कि website पे available नहीं है, they all can always WhatsApp us and we curate it for them. That's also something that we do.
अच्छा, how do you website की बात हो रही थी, so my team was doing a bit of research about the brand and everything, तो आपकी website भी देख रहे थे. How do you price your stuff like cakes वगैरह, वो कैसे price करती हैं आप?
So you're talking about customized cakes, or are you talking
I mean like the
about
journal, the things you have on the website like that.
So a standard, अगर आप अगर आप by the book चलो, how to
Hmm.
price your cakes, it's basically cost
Yeah.
plus 20%, right,
Yeah.
of whatever you're doing. But then there are certain things which require a lot more time. So, for example, if you're making a chocolate fudge cake
Hmm.
and maybe you're making a tiramisu,
Hmm.
tiramisu will requires more time and more delicacy. So you will price it to tiramisu higher because लेबर उसमें 1 घंटा ज़्यादा खड़ा हुआ है, उसकी चीज़ ज़्यादा महंगी है,
Hmm.
you want to get the lady finger biscuits, whatever, so you're going to make sure that that is priced accordingly. And also, how where are you sourcing from? आप एक ही वेंडर से सोर्स कर रहे हो या 4 अलग जगहों से चीज़ें आ रही हैं, ट्रांसपोर्ट में कितना जा रहा
Hmm.
है, आप किसी को भेज रहे हो सामान लाने के लिए, दैट ऑल्सो मैटर्स. So all these factors, are put together and then you do your pricing. And how much time has it been that you have created this recipe, and how well is it doing? And if you eventually then want to leverage off that as well, that is also a big possibility. Like, for example, let's say if it's a chocolate fudge cake and you know that you're doing it the best in the city, then you will make sure
Charge
that you
accordingly.
charge accordingly, right? So there are certain products that we do which are like that. And then you also give your customer that, you give them something that they won't get anywhere else. And I think that is what I have always believed in. Like, if अगर मैंने आपको सिर्फ एक ये बस कप पकड़ा देना है and then that's it, then why will they come to me? And I think that is what I keep instilling in my team, that don't just do the job for the sake of doing it. Do it so that somebody comes back. They do it so that they say, this was great, we loved it, and so I can tell my team also that you did a great job. You see, हमारे जो स्टाफ एंड हमारे जो लेबर के अंदर वो कॉन्सेप्ट है ना, वो उनके अंदर दिहाड़ी वाला कॉन्सेप्ट है.
Hmm.
उनके अंदर कोई कॉन्सेप्ट है ही नहीं कि हम अपने आप को बेहतर कर सकते हैं. सो एंड जो अपने आप को बेहतर कर चुके हैं, उनका दिमाग इतना ज़्यादा ख़राब हो
कि
जाता
वो
है
फिर
दैट
कुछ सीखने को
वो
राजी नहीं होते हैं.
वो समझते नहीं. तो मेरा जो सारा स्टाफ है has always been like from ground zero trained. So
अच्छा.
I don't hire bakers.
You don't hire
I
bakers.
don't hire
You train
bakers. I train
people who
them.
don't know anything about baking.
Yes.
Okay, that's
That I
interesting.
don't know. That's me being mad, I think. But that's what I've done. So, we'll have like a cleaner, and then we'll start them off with cleaning, and then we'll
Okay.
take them upwards, like with basic, being once they're done with the cleaning part, then they'll go into the handling of the trays. के ये बस oven के अंदर डालना है, 20 मिनट के बाद निकालना है.
Okay.
ये ये मावा पड़ा हुआ है, मावा को fill करना. Mawa is like the batter. That's what their language is. They use it, put the batter in the molds. That's what they say. There's
Mawa.
lapi, there's mawa, and sometimes I don't know if I'm dealing with a painters or bakers, but that's their lingo. So that is that is the process that I chose 10 years ago. It worked for me in that time. Of course, over time I have also hired bakers. ऐसा नहीं है I haven't. जब ज़्यादा काम हो गया है and I need them, I have hired them, but I always prefer to hire
Freshies.
freshers, and then I train them from scratch.
Because you like teaching as well. Is that
I think
It's
maybe that's it. I've never put the two and two together, but I think that could be it, because I have trained boys who are now working at very renowned places. When I shut my stores, of course, I had to let go of some staff, and they're working at very, very renowned bakeries. So sometimes when I call them back to just help on a certain day, they will come back,
Acha.
because they were like on a like मेरे ही सामने they were like on an 8,000 rupee job, and when they left me they were already at like 40. So now imagine from there when they go, ऊपर से फिर ये होता है, oh अच्छा, you're coming from Shugri's,
नाम भी
okay,
होता
they
है.
already know Shugri's is female run, okay, they already know that there's finesse in the hand, they've already done their recce, they've done their research, and then when you take the trial आपको पता चल जाता है कि ट्रेनिंग किस तरीके से दी हुई है. यू विल सी देयर बी वेरी स्मॉल थिंग्स यू विल नोटिस, कि वो काम करते वक्त मेस नहीं बनाएंगे
अच्छा,
चीज़ें,
okay.
दैट्स समथिंग owner or a head chef would appreciate, when hiring, that okay, this person will keep the station clean, they'll know exactly, okay, layer the cake, put in the fridge, let it chill, like the various steps, rather than just quickly doing it. I remember I was training for a baker for another bakery. I was training at another bakery and I was training their bakers. And I was watching the gentleman, he was pouring, sugar syrup in the cake to make it soft because वो sponge hard बन गया था. And वो बस बनाए जाते बना अब now only बना लिया था, अब वो cake started breaking. As the cake started breaking, he started just like lathering the whipping cream on it, just so
छुपाने के
that
लिए, कवर करने के लिए
cover
उसको।
करने के लिए. And I'm like, oh my god, what is it? End में it looked like a cake and it
ओके।
looked like a great cake, but I was just horrified when I had seen the process, and I said, okay, there is training does matter. That's what it all comes down to.
अच्छा, हाउ डिड मास्टर शेफ हैपन? वो कैसे हुआ? उन्होंने कैसे अप्रोच किया आपको एंड हाउ वाज द
हाँ.
एक्सपीरियंस विद मास्टर शेफ?
So MasterChef approached me very randomly. They just gave me a call and they were like, MasterChef is happening, season 2 is happening in Pakistan. And I was like, Acha, it's a joke. because I mean, we hadn't seen it in 10 years, and I said, okay, kya hoga. So they said, we want to have a meeting, and I said, oh, okay, and I was very like just chill, when you just chill about it and calm chal raha hai, maine kaha theek hai, hoga so hoga. I had a meeting with them and they were like, we'll get back to you, and I was like, great. And I was very busy with my work, and um, I didn't pay much heed to it. And I think they called me back like the next day and they were like, we're interested, we really liked. First they said we have a lot of people we have to shortlist, and the next day they were like,
अच्छा,
that's it.
दैट्स इट, यू हैड
Yeah, we
finalized.
want to go ahead. Like we want to go ahead with you. So it was one of those
Was
things
it like
I
the
didn't
audition
know.
or something? कोई audition
No,
हुआ
no,
था?
no audition.
Just simple.
They had it was I mean I wasn't a contestant, right? So I was a judge. So it was more like a formal meeting,
Got it.
like and met with them and we just had a conversation like the way you and I are having right now. And then they contacted me the next day that we would like to offer you this part, and we've gone through your profile and at that time I was actually in a contract with two people because I was wrapping up consultancies.
अच्छा,
So unki requirement hi yahi hoti hai that you can't be in a contract as well. So I had to wrap those up, and then eventually this was happening in September. So I said, okay, great, we'll become wrap up. So it just worked out, accordingly. And how was the experience? So it's a very interesting question again. Um, I'm a very, very straight up person. So what you see is what you get. You see me right now and you'll see me 5 years later and I'll be the same person and 5 years ago also. When it comes to my demeanor, when it comes to the way I talk or the way I conduct myself. So, I mean, you must have seen tons of memes and tons of
yeah,
reels
मैं वो पूछने वाला था
on,
वो आपसे।
so you must have seen tons of that. And I think that, so I think the shoot, the team, everything was great. Of course, there were delays, and I don't know if you've been on a set, but
It
it
takes
was
time.
my first time on such a big set. I have done a TVC, I have done food styling, but इतने बड़े set पे it was the first time. So 300 लोगों को एक ही
Manage
page
करना।
पे लाना, manage करना. So hats off to them who were able to do it. There was Tariq Bhai, Rizwan Bhai, and a bunch of other people, and we had a good director as well. I was very lucky to have had two other judges who were judging with me, and we had a great rapport as well. So that was really nice. कि कहीं पे ये नहीं था discomfort and मैं इनके साथ बैठ नहीं सकती हूँ. That was very, very nice. So, मतलब from the makeup artist to the sport boy to everybody was very, very nice. हाँ, the one thing was that कि बहुत लंबे hours थे shooting
Okay,
के. We were shooting like 16 hours a day, and I
16 hours
was,
a day.
yes, and
Wow.
I was like 4.5 months pregnant,
Oh.
and I was like just like, oh my god, like, and my husband had like really pushed me to do this, and I said, मैं शुरू में तो कहा था मैं कर लूंगी, ठीक है हो जाएगा, but when I got to it I was like, it was tiring, and I'm because I'm also a perfectionist when it comes to अगर कुछ चीज़ कर रही हूँ तो सही से करूँ वरना मैं नहीं करूँ at all. So putting in those kind of hours, they would be like, you can go take a break, sit, and I would be like, no, 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 like we have to get the work done. So I would try to, I feel like I gave it my best, and if I were to do it again, even after watching all my memes and reels, I would be doing it the same, because we had to find the best talent, and I think that maybe through your podcast I can answer this question that people just perceive people to be that, oh, you're so rude and
Yeah.
you're so fala and you're so full of yourself, and no, 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 that's not at all. I've worked very hard to be where I am, so it doesn't come from it's not rude, it's you're trying to give them what the real world gives you,
A genuine
a
feedback.
genuine feedback. There is no buttering feedback over here. So there was a lot of stay true to yourself. I had to make sure that I wasn't swept away thinking कि मैं टीवी पे आ रही हूँ, and that made me no difference because I said it doesn't matter. मैं टीवी पे एक एक शो के लिए आऊंगी ना. What about later? I have to stay true to the craft and I have to stay true to myself. So
आपको नहीं लगा कि
great.
आपका जजिंग वाज अ बिट हार्श, जो लोगों का परसेप्शन बना काफी कि
हाँ,
यार
like
यू वर लाइक वेरी स्ट्रेट अप, और
it was
बॉडी लैंग्वेज
harsh,
रूड जो लोग कह रहे थे?
and like like I still remember sitting with my in-laws and they were like, today आज का episode कैसा होगा? And I think that if I was, like I said, if I was to do it again, शायद I would be the same. There wouldn't be any difference. हाँ, ये है कि of course one can go back and reword themselves, but I don't think I was rude anywhere. आप कोई भी judging show देखें, you're judging on the craft, meaning you're judging on the food. In my case, आप judge नहीं कर रहे हो like शख्स को.
कि वो बंदा
So
कैसा है.
it's not about the person. Yes, one person, one contestant, if I've said that, you're overconfident, जो मेरी इतनी लती बन गई थी कि my inbox was flooded, was simply because that got you are young, and you are excited and you are passionate, but you also have to understand that you are early and you are just starting off. So there are some things that somebody a little bit more experienced than you will be able to tell you, and you may want to take that feedback. Yes, that feedback shouldn't always be taken, but sometimes taking that feedback will help you. It's not always about cooking the food or baking the product.
Mhm.
It's about other things also, right? It's about respect, attitude. There are many other things that fall into place. So, I mean, you'll be a great podcaster not just because you have great questions. It's also because how you are with your guests, or आपकी ऑन स्क्रीन ऑफ स्क्रीन किस तरह की इंटरेक्शन है. ये नहीं हो कि आप पॉडकास्ट रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो और ऑफ कैमरा यूर जस्ट लाइक ओके आई एम डन गुड
Stay
बाय.
muted, yeah.
देयर इज दैट, एंड आई थिंक पीपल वो एक तो कीबोर्ड वॉरियर्स तो हैं हमारे पास बहुत. एंड मैं इनिशियली आई विल नॉट लाई, आई वेंट थ्रू स्लीपलेस नाइट्स फॉर अ फ्यू डेज.
Because of this trolling?
Yes, and I said, did I make a mistake somewhere? What did I
You were not
do?
expecting some this kind of
Yes,
feedback.
I wasn't, and I think, and I kid you not, all those people who have written, trust me, I've read your comments. I've read all the comments, but I read the comments and I said, okay, this is just whatever.
ये
I
तो
need to
होता
just
है. Once you're doing
and
you
no, but
sign up
it's
for this and
important
होता है
कि
ये.
मैंने वो किया because I needed to also be sure that I did the right thing. I wasn't rude to somebody. मैंने किसी की बेइज्जती नहीं की. It was all about the food. So, and I think MasterChef came at a great time for my career as well. Because I love teaching. Like I've told you, I've been doing it for almost 9.5 years now. तो वो तो एक चीज़ मैं कर ही रही हूँ. And आप मेरे students से भी पूछे तो like one of my students just said to me, I just felt like you were being yourself. And I said, thanks. And in fact, my very very close friend's 8-year-old son or 9-year-old son, he just said, "But Mavish Khanna was just being herself. like
That's how you
so
are. Like that's
that's
how you
how
are.
I am. It's not that I was
Straightforward.
rude. It's straightforward. You need a feedback, you want to work on that, you're supposed to work on it and move on. That's about it. वो कुछ लोगों को पसंद आएगा, कुछ लोगों को पसंद नहीं आएगा. You can't make everyone happy.
सो आपके साथ जो दूसरे भी जो
हम्म.
जज थे दे
हम्म.
weren't like उनको इस तरह का फीडबैक नहीं आया था कि were they like मतलब वो किस तरीके से वो कर रहे थे प्रेजेंट कर रहे थे अपने आप को
You
that you
see,
found was different than you.
I can't speak for anybody how they chose to represent themselves, but if I'm just to say on a friendly level, I think that Chef Sadat has been in the industry for a very long
Very long
time.
time.
So उनका एक he has एक certain आपका म्यार होता है, एक certain image होती है, चीजें होती हैं. So he already has that, and it's not like he did the show to get any fame out of
Yeah.
it. He did it because he wanted to do it, and he was the right fit for it, and he has the experience and he has the things that maybe somebody as young as I wouldn't have had. And he was harsh when he needed to be, and he was funny when he needed to be, and that, I think he was also himself. I think Asad is a very mild person, so I think Asad in as best as he could said, but that's also his
That's how
personality
he
in
is.
in real life. I'm just a more dynamic personality, and I'm loud, and so it probably sometimes comes across as otherwise. But I think I'm just, if you're saying that how is this tea, okay, बहुत मीठी है, it's too sweet, I can't have it. So अब मैं ऐसे ही बोलूँगी it's too sweet, I can't have it. अब कोई बोलेगा हाँ मे बी अगर चीनी कम होती तो अच्छा होता. भाई आपका बोलने का अंदाज वो है, मेरा बोलने का अंदाज ये है. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मैं आपकी बेइज्जती कर रही हूँ बिकॉज आई सेड दैट, एंड that's fine. मैं तो सोचती हूँ कि अगर ये लोग हमें culinary स्कूल में देख ले तो ये भाग जाएंगे. Like our chefs would just bang the pan and be like
फेक भी देते हैं ना काफी दफा.
हाँ, and people say कि हाँ आप लोग अपनी frustration निकाल रहे थे. No, that's not the case. It's just it's just how it is in a kitchen. Things are hot, things get heated up, and you have to be able to really focus and keep your cool, and really really dive into what you're doing, and that is all. I'm not saying any other profession doesn't need it, but a kitchen is actually hot other than everything else. Like the nerves are really really on edge because आप एक बहुत ही instant gratification पे होते हो. जो आप बना रहे हो, अगला
फौरन फीडबैक आएगा.
शख्स वो उसको फौरन आपको फीडबैक देने वाला है. So that's something that you need to really really be mindful of. रेस्टोरेंट में यही होता है ना.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
आप क्या देखते हो ज़्यादातर रेस्टोरेंट में, एक कोई आइस टी सही नहीं होती तो आप उसको चेंज करा लेते हो, राइट. यहाँ पे तो आप पूरा एक खाना सर्व कर रहे हो. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट योर सॉल्ट, योर फ्लेवर्स, ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स.
आपने सारे कमेंट्स पढ़े और उसने आपको इफेक्ट भी किया.
They really did
They
affect
did?
me. Yeah, they really did affect me, and I think it takes a toll on you when you're not like a media
Yeah.
person. It takes a toll on you because you really go back and you think, I should have just been nice. I should have just been nice to everyone and called it a day. But वो एक दो दिन की बात होती है. Like I said, अगर मुझे दोबारा करना हो तो मैं फिर भी यही comments देती. And I think now that we have the winner and we know who's the winner, I'm really proud that we were able to take that winner out. I think that was when I look back at my own journey of the show, I say every decision I made on the show was right. हमारी बहुत, even between the judges we would have a fair bit of arguments, sometimes going back and forth on decisions, and holding my ground on whatever decision I would make, and I would be like, no, this is it. I am standing here. I'm going to vote for this person. I will not vote for this person. This person has improved. This person has come up with the best dish of the day. And that's how you know that you're actually extracting the best. That's what you're doing.
अच्छा आपने बोला जैसे बेस्ट डिश ऑफ द डे अभी जो आपने
हम्म.
बोला, हाउ डू यू जज दैट कि तीन लोग अगर एक ही चीज खा रहे हैं, सो
हम्म.
हर किसी का अपना टेस्ट बर्ड्स और पैलेट जो है वो डिफरेंट
Absolutely.
होगा. सो हाउ डू यू जज कि यार ये जो डिश है कोई
Hmm.
स्पेसिफिक रेसिपी होती है, गाइडलाइंस होती हैं जो आप लोग
नहीं
सोचते
नहीं
हैं कि
नहीं
यार
नहीं, no
वी
no no.
कंपेयर टू दैट स्टैंडर्ड, कोई बेंचमार्क होता है या फिर कैसे
No, no,
जज
no.
करते हैं? हाउ डू यू
So,
जज फूड?
so for me, see, you eat with your eyes. So that's the
ओके,
first thing.
प्रेजेंटेशन, गॉट
Presentation, your food, how have you presented it to me? Number one, and number two, how does it taste? Right. So at the end of the day, am I going to be coming back for how good it looks or
इट.
how good it tastes? So I will always come back for how good it
या
tastes. You
ऑब्वियसली.
know, I cannot come back for how good it looks. So yes, looks is you eat with your eyes, but I'm only going to come back अगर वो खाना
खाना
मजे
अच्छा
का
होगा,
था.
मजे का होगा,
आप रोड साइड फूड भी खाते हो, कौन सा प्रेजेंट होता है?
कुछ नहीं होता.
वो उसी वक्त आपको, अगर आपने लस्सी पीनी है, आप वंस रोड पे जा रहे हो, आपको बना के देते हैं, आप वो बन कबाब खा रहे हो, बस एक
बिरयानी है वो
एवी
प्लेट में
सी
डाल
प्लेट
देते
में
हैं, दे
डाल
देते
के
हैं
आपको
हमको.
दे देते हैं, बट यू लव द टेस्ट एंड यू एवरी टाइम गो बैक उसी टेस्ट के लिए. सो आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट द टेस्ट. अच्छा, टेस्ट पे भी हम उस पे जाते हैं कि हमारा एक ना, हमने एक पूरा सेट बना दिया था. लाइक वी हैड proper, we would have a name, we would have presentation, taste, rating. Like if it was presented in restaurant, on 10, सबकी चीजें on 10 हम लोग rate करते थे.
अच्छा,
And once we would have all the ratings for that particular person, then we would total all the marks, and
ओके,
those marks would be, let's say अगर 10 चीज़ों के ऊपर हम rate करें, so they would be on 100. अगर 5 चीज़ों के ऊपर हम rate करें, तो they would be on 50. And जिसके highest marks होते थे, फिर we would go back to the drawing board and see कि okay, इस person को हमने अगर 7 on 10 दिया है, तो can this person deserve an 8? If yes, then where is it? And if this person doesn't deserve a 7, and if they are in the bottom, then why are they in the bottom? Like it's not just your plate, it's also ये काम कैसे कर रहे थे, were they organized, were they haphazard,
अच्छा
were
वो भी
they,
आप लोग देख रहे
of
थे.
course हर चीज आप देखते हो ना. आप शेफ बन के ये तो नहीं कर सकते कि आप पूरा किचन मेस में और आपने डिश अच्छी प्रेजेंट कर
अच्छा,
दी है.
ओके,
So there are a lot of factors when you are presenting. Of course at the end of the day आप फिर भी उसको बेस्ट टेस्ट पे ही जज करोगे, बट आप ये सारे फैक्टर्स लेते हैं. लाइक अगर उनकी मेन बहुत अच्छा था लेकिन साइड्स बहुत
हम्म,
वीक थी, तो मेन हम अलग जज करते हैं, साइड्स हम अलग जज करते हैं. एंड फिर हम कहते हैं अच्छा, कैन वी गिव देम 0.5 टू कवर अप? नो वी कांट, और यस वी कैन. या अगर दो डिज़र्ट भी सर्व करें, तो वाज दैट डिज़र्ट गुड इनफ? उन्होंने कोई चीज़ कंपोनेंट तो नहीं छोड़ दिया था? थीम क्या थी? सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इन मास्टर शेफ इज़ व्हाट इज़ द चैलेंज.
ओके, ठीक है.
सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आज का चैलेंज है कि आपने चिकन बारबेक्यू बनाना है, तो अगर आपने उठा के कलेजी बना दिया और आपकी कलेजी बिल्कुल मेरे मुंह में मेल्ट कर दी है, तो मैं उस कलेजी का कुछ भी नहीं कर सकती हूँ, बिकॉज द चैलेंज वॉज कि आपने चिकन बनानी है. सो अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स पीपल वुड डिरेल फ्रॉम द चैलेंज,
अच्छा, ओके,
and they would make a brilliant dish, but it wasn't on the challenge. So that was one of the biggest things that if people actually rewatch, they will realize that वो एक that's something you notice. आपने बहुत मजे की एक चीज बना दी है, लेकिन अब एक था, आई थिंक, फ्रिज का लेफ्ट ओवर चैलेंज.
ओके,
अब वो आपने उस आइटम को लेके कुछ और बनाना था उससे.
अच्छा
ठीक
जो
है,
था आइटम उसी को.
हाँ, दाल
अच्छा,
चावल है, आपने दाल
कुछ और
चावल को
बनाना है
लेके
उससे.
कुछ और बनाना
ओके,
है. अब आपने दाल चावल को लेके, फॉर एग्जांपल, ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी ने किया, बट अगर आपने दाल चावल को लेके एज दाल को बस ड्राई करके मुझे दे दिया है, so that's not innovation. But I still remember, I think someone had done like rice um rice and dal, like cutlets. So it was like a cutlet with
ओके,
rice
अच्छा,
and dal inside. So that's like innovation. So that's what you're looking for. Agar ek cake hai, so you can't just serve it as a cake. You have to sort of do something with it. So we had a lot of interesting things also. कभी बहुत हमारे पास, we would be at a बिल्कुल डेड एंड कि क्या करें, दोनों डिशेस अच्छी थी. कभी कभी ये भी होता था
अच्छा,
कि सारी
टाई
ही
हो रहा होता था.
टाई हो रहा होता था. कभी ये होता था कि none of them were great. I mean, I think there was one such episode where Oh my God, everything was bad, and I
Everything was
still
bad.
everything was bad, and it was such a bad day, because you want them to do well. I mean, it's not like anybody is my personal relative, right? Like, I want them all to do well, because you want them all to shine. They're young, they are entering the industry, they should have all the opportunities. I still look back and think that when I started my business, and when I reached out to some renowned names, that where can I get sugar from, where can I get flour from, they were like, "Oh, we don't know. Maybe you can try XYZ place." And I would be like,
Nobody helps you.
"Wow, like this person is like 45 years old and they're scared, um, that I'm
Of
going to
someone
work
entering
with."
new in the
Yeah,
industry.
it's very
It is
sad.
very sad. It's like that.
So I think there's room for everyone. Like, a lot of people ask me that you teach, तो आपको डर नहीं लगता उस रेसिपीज चली जाएंगी, अगर अगर चले भी गई भाई वो उनकी किस्मत. Like, I am very big on this. I'm very big on this, that if it's written for you, you'll have it. If it's not meant for you, no matter how hard you try for it, will not happen for you. So I just believe in put in the work and then leave the rest to God, and you will be a happy person, hopefully.
So were you happy with the talent that you received in MasterChef? अच्छे आपको लोग मिले? कोई पर्चियाँ वगैरह तो नहीं है आपके पास कि यार ये मेरा
नहीं,
भांजा आ रहा है,
नहीं,
भतीजा
आई
आ
विश
रहा है?
आती तो आई वुड हैव स्पोकन अबाउट इट. कोई पर्चियाँ नहीं आई. आई डिडंट इवन नो कि मतलब ऐसे शो के लिए लोग पर्चियाँ भेजेंगे. आई वुड बी वेरी सैड इफ दैट हैपेंड, बट नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक सो. I think the like students बोलते रहती हूँ, because I'm so used to teaching, but
Talent.
all the talent that was there, that was showcased, was very genuine.
Okay.
I think that a lot of people believe that Zen should have been the winner. And sometimes I absolutely agree. He's a brilliant, brilliant, brilliant boy who has really showcased some brilliant talent. Unfortunately, on the day, he just didn't perform as well as he could have
He missed on
or
that
should
day.
have. Sometimes we're very good, but hum bas us din mein maar kha jate hain,
Final
right?
year.
So it was one of those things where he just didn't put his best foot forward. Yes, it was an interesting dish, and abhi bhi I get hate messages that you're a terrible person.
अभी तक
अभी इनफैक्ट आज ही मैं अपनी रिक्वेस्ट में देख रही थी कि कोई 120 रिक्वेस्ट हैं ऑफ जस्ट हेट मैसेजेस. मैंने कहा
120.
मैं बैठ के पढूं या मैं डिलीट ऑल कर दूं. फिर मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं बैठ के पढूंगी. On some day when I need some entertainment, I'll read all of them and then delete
नहीं
them.
छोड़ दे, नहीं पड़े.
हाँ,
When you sign up
बहुत
for this,
मैंने हमने
ignore
कोई
करना होता है.
लाइक हंड्रेड्स में मैसेजेस डिलीट किए, हंड्रेड्स में.
इतनी hit
हाँ,
आई है.
इतनी हेट आई है. फिर कभी-कभी बोलती हूँ
Wow.
मुझे मास्टर शेफ करना नहीं चाहिए था. Because I received so much hate after it. But having said that, I feel like it's okay. People they have feelings, and they're all welcome. So they can just share them. It's okay. I mean, it's part of putting yourself out there. It's part of अब आ रहे हो टीवी पे तो जाहिर सी बात है, people will say something, and that's absolutely fine. You can't love everybody.
दोबारा करेंगे MasterChef अगर आप अब
I
दोबारा
mean,
next season? You
I
are
don't
doing
know
it?
if they reach. I don't know if they're having another season, but I think that if I say so, that if I feel like if there are chefs like me, they're very real. So it really depends on the people who are actually producing the show, whether they want such individuals there, because we really give it as it is.
मैं आप
And
करेंगी अगर
whether
ऑफर हुआ तो.
I mean, why not? I think that you're finding talent, and why would you not want to do it? It's such a great name, अगर आप उसके साथ associated हैं, so why not? I think that I had a good experience. I mean, of course, with a few lapses here and there, but otherwise I had a good experience. So क्यों नहीं करेंगे? I mean, हम see, you're here to work. It's like someone saying that would you do XYZ podcast, or would you have this guest, and they're like a very popular person, you would say yes, you're here to work, right? So you will put in all the work. It doesn't matter काम कहाँ से आ रहा है. You will do the work. If it's the intention is right, you will do it, if they have that.
Okay, Mavish, now we'll do a segment. It's
Okay.
called one word answer. तो आपने one word में कोशिश करना है कि मुझे जवाब दें.
ठीक है.
Let's start one word.
Okay.
Success.
Great.
Failure.
Sad.
Karachi.
Love.
Sugaries.
Baby.
MasterChef.
I will stay silent.
Criticism.
Must.
I must. Woman in business.
Brilliant.
Money.
Great.
Passion.
Must have.
Legacy.
Important.
Important. Chef Zakir.
Old school.
Old school. Chef Gulzar.
Funny.
Zubaida Appa.
Hi. Bas itna hi.
Chef Mehboob Khan.
Talented.
Chef Samina Jalil.
Hardworking.
Chef Shireen Anbar.
Very, very admirable. Yes.
Chef Mehwish Aziz.
Oh, there's only one.
That is it from One Word Answer. Thank you so much for being on the podcast, Mehwish. It was an absolute pleasure. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके और काफ़ी सारी insights मिली आपसे. If
Thank
you have a
you.
message for the people who are watching the podcast, the camera is yours.
Well, thank you for watching this podcast. And if you have a creative talent, if you want to do something, if you want to be someone, just dive right into it. I always tell this to my students, that don't think about it. Don't wait for the right time. There is never going to be the right time. If you need to take a career pause, take it, but dive right back into it. Never give up working, whatever it is, whether it's selling books, whether it's working from home, whatever little or much or more you can do it, especially for women. I think my message is also for women specifically, because being a woman, I feel like you need to be independent. So I think that's the message for all the women.
Thank you so much. That's it from today's podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.